Hey, it's Elizabeth, Countess of Low Carb, and on this episode, we're going to do a $20 Aldi Keto Challenge coming up next. So today we're going to do a $20 Aldi Keto haul. If you find this video helpful, smash that like button, click subscribe with the bell notifications, and get my free Aldi Keto shopping printable. It's down in the description link below. My gift to you for being part of the Countess of Low Carb community. Let me show you all the goodies I get from Aldi. So for Aldi Keto shopping on a budget, I always check out their discounted produce. First stop is zucchini. It's $1.50. It's going to be my first purchase for my Aldi Keto shopping haul. I'm going to make zucchini fritters. So I'm going to need some garlic powder and then also some eggs to go with it. So I have not seen before their macadamia nut. I'm going to snag it. I've never tried it before, but I think it would be a good ad. They still do have the organic coconut flour on sale for $3. It is an awesome Aldi price that you can use for your keto biscuits. I've done it in another video, so I'm going to pass today, but it is a great Aldi keto option to get. So this guacamole is $3 for 2 packs, so basically $1.50 each pack, but be mindful it does have tomatoes in it, which is increasing the carb count on it. I'm going to get it versus this one because they don't have that in multiple packs, and I want to have 2 separate kinds for 2 different servings with it, but I'm being mindful of the tomatoes added did increase the carb count on it. These you think would be a great product to have because they're made out of coconut, but actually a ton of carbs and a ton of sugar. So there are a ton of keto meal prep things to get for under $5. I really want that buffet warming tray. I'm going to pass on it. There's really, really good keto meal prep stuff going on right now in January at Aldi. I would go run and check it out. And by the way, have you gotten my free keto shopping printable list down in the description link below just for Aldi? My gift to you, it's down in the description link below. And then I also snagged 2 of these tiki masala jars also. They're going to be a great addition for my low carb, slow cooker meal that I'm making. These you think would be a great product to have because they're made out of coconut, but actually a ton of carbs and a ton of sugar. So I snagged 2 of these canned chicken breasts. They're $2 a piece. I'm going to use these for my keto pizza. Their tomato sauce is tried and true. It's only 30 cents. I just have a ton at home, so I'm not going to get it today. But totally, if you want a lower carb, it's not totally low carb and lower sugar. It's comparable to the Amazon ones, and it's a heck of a lot cheaper by 20-fold. So don't fall for the marketing tricks with this bone broth. It's actually water and chicken stock. It's made out of, it's cooked with the meat of the turkey. It's not cooked with the turkey bones. So it's technically not bone broth, so it not be a recommendation. Also always check it's made out of, if there's any sugar. There's no sugars added in this one, but just be clear with the intentions. It's not bone broth, it's more so turkey stock. Pumpkin seeds are also a great, easy keto snack. I totally recommend, and Aldi's price point on them is really good. They have clean ingredients. I totally recommend their easy pumpkins, their pumpkin seeds for an easy keto snack. So I had to go check to see if they had any carrots items on sale. I'm going to go over, since I do only have $20 for my keto budget, I'm going to go through and look to see if I can find any clearance items and then go for some of my good old go-tos if not. They are having a ton of organic products. Down here, there's more than I've ever seen before, but I'm going to snag some of my organic spinach as part of my $20 Aldi Keto shopping haul. So they do have a ton of the meats on sale. If you see those $2 off ones, it's $4 off. I'm gonna pass just because I don't like lamb or salmon, but you could use those as part of your Aldi shopping haul. For the ricotta, just make sure you snag the whole milk kind and not the skim milk. You want the whole milk for the full fats. So those shrimp and salmon cakes, you can make your own a lot cheaper, a lot easier, and flash freeze them, which we do for our keto meal prep. I will make my own crab cakes, shrimp cakes, tuna cakes, salmon cakes. It's a really simple recipe using pork rinds and your protein and eggs. You can flash freeze them really simply and save you a ton of dough that you don't have to spend on it by making them once and then maybe making 3 or 4 different freezer meals for them. So these are $6 for the freezer amount, but I use them for 2 meals, so it's $3 per meal. It's so filling, it's 100%. These are the ingredients. I do like to buy from a local farmer, grass-fed CSA, meat CSA, but these are also good in a pinch. They're really simple to cook, as you could probably see on some of my other keto cooking videos I've done with these. They're super, super simple. I'm stunned that they have the king crab legs in there. That is a great find. So I'm going to go through my cart. I can show you when I get home the breakdown of everything and how we're going to cook this all together for some keto meal prep in part 2. But I've got some cage-free eggs. I also got some of the chicken in a can. We're going to use that for some cool dishes. Some also shredded Colby Jack cheese. I got on a whim. I don't know how much it cost, so it may blow my budget. But it was macadamia milk unsweetened. It looks good. It looks like there's no sugars added, but it's straight up just goodness. So we'll see. We'll see if that's the fact or not. I did end up getting 2 jars of my tiki masala. More on this is not necessarily a keto product, but more a low carb product, but still a good choice if you're doing low carb. Whole milk ricotta. I did get my zucchini that was also on sale. We're going to use some zucchini fritters with these. Some guacamole. We're going to use those with our eggs. And then some organic spinach also. And that's my haul. So let me go home and show you how I'm going to put these into easy keto meals. Okay, I'm home and I've unloaded all of my Aldi Keto haul goodies. Okay, so the first thing I got was 2 of these tiki masalas. These are more of a low carb meal type food, low carb food, because, and I'm starting off with them first just to be mindful and cognizant of adding some fats with them to make sure you're getting your high fat, moderate protein, low carb, which is keto, right? So for this, it is 5 net carbs for 1/4 of a cup, but if you help put in a heavy cream, or for me in my case, I got some macadamia milk, I'm going to add that to the very end of my slow cooker meal, and you can check out part 2 of my keto meal prep of how do I cook this amazing Indian dish super, super simply. You can use in it real chicken breast. You can use any kind of protein you want, quite frankly, in the crock pot, or you can use their canned chicken breast, which is only $2 for their premium white chunk, whichever one you prefer. Next that I got was my Philly cheesesteaks. It's $6 for this whole package. 0 carbs. It is beef. Of course, getting organic is best. Grass-fed is best. And locally sourced. But in a pinch, this is awesome where royal weight loss meets real life, getting real food ingredients to have. Next is whole ricotta cheese. You can multi-purpose this in so many different things. And so for my keto meal prep, I'll talk about this. I did get a whole avocado just because I wanted some avocados, but I did also get some guacamole, 2 packages of these. These 2 packages were $3, so $1.50 per pack. It does have tomatoes and onions in this, which boosts up the net carbs in it. It is 2 tablespoons is 1 net carb for this. I got a second can of the chicken, I'm going to do a couple different recipes. I can do a chicken pizza out of this, like a chicken pizza crust. I can put it in my Indian dish. I can mix it with some mayonnaise or mix it with my ricotta. I can do a bunch of different things with this chicken. Next, I got zucchinis. These were the Aldi produce of the week. They have different sales. I do usually like to stock up on those. So I got these. We're going to do my keto fritters out of them, which are going to be good. I did get some shredded cheese to put on my steak and cheese wraps. Also for my chicken crust pizzas to make those with. I can put them in with my zucchini fritters. They're really multi-purpose. I can add them with guacamole and make some cool keto nachos out of them. A bunch of stuff you can do with this. Then I did, of course, get my baby spinach to get my potassium in. More potassium in spinach than in a banana. I always have 2 cups with some sort of fat and usually with some sort of vinegar. So 2 cups of spinach and then like 1 tablespoon or teaspoon of avocado oil or olive oil or some sort of oil with it, and then with apple cider vinegar or with lemon juice or lime juice, something like that. So this is great. It's a great way to chew having a ketogenic meal and helps you stay in ketosis. And then next, I did get a whole dozen eggs, organic and cage-free eggs as well. I will use those for hard-boiled eggs for keto snacks, and then also as zucchini fritters in here, and I may make and then also with my keto chicken crust pizza crust, super simple to make. So that was my whole Aldi shopping haul. Super simple. I hope this come with me, shop with me video has been helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, make sure you go down and get my free Aldi keto shopping list. Totally my gift for you. Click like, click subscribe, and I'll see you again next time, guys. Make it a powerful day. Bye, friends.